Hello, and welcome to your Jenesis Software training video. Today's video is on managing users and adding new users. From our Genesis dashboard, let's move over to the left-hand toolbar, go down to Users, and click there. This will then bring us to our user accounts, where you can see all of your users and you can add additional users. You can also change the status to see all users, active users, or inactive users. In order to add a user, move over to the right and click the plus. From here, you would input the information highlighted in blue, giving them a temporary password, and then confirming and agreeing that you would like to add this new user. You may notice the producer only option here. It is set to default no. If they are using the Genesis system, then this default is correct. If they are a producer only and will not be using Genesis, you would then select yes, as they are a producer only and they will not use the system. If you have any questions about whether it should be yes or no, there's the helpful green question mark to help answer those questions. Again, the default is set to no, which is accurate if they are using the system. Once you've input the information, you'll then hit Save User. This will then add that user to your user account. If you need to adjust or manage a user's profile, you simply go back to that toolbar, click Users, go to your user's account here, select the user by scrolling down to the name that you need to manage, and click there. Once inside that user's account, you can make adjustments. You can scroll down to the bottom and adjust their permissions by toggling on or off the permissions that you do or do not want them to have. If they should have admin capabilities or override agency permissions, you can use this top section, which is agency wide permissions, and toggle any of these on or off. But for general users, you would use the section below for location specific permissions. Once you've completed your changes, the green pop-up for save changes would be here. Make sure to save all of your changes. If I go back to my toolbar on the left under users, and I would like to see what a user is doing, what they have going on, how their dashboard is set up. If you want to become that user, you can click on switch, and now you have become that user. Notice the name change. I'm now this user and I can see what they see on their dashboard. Once you are done, you must log out as that user, and this will then return you to your administrative self. Again, this is how to manage and add users in your Genesis software. Should you have any questions, remember the chat support icon at the bottom right or all the way to the left, the bottom of your toolbar, the tools and resource options. Thank you for joining me.